no, how can Davido do such thing? This is not good now. This is unfair. They are admiring you. They are appreciating you. They are your fans. Why do you have to react in that manner? That is not good. Welcome to Linda's TV show. If it is your first time of stopping by or coming across my YouTube channel, my dear good friend, you are highly welcome. Please, I beg you for a favor, smash on that red button that says subscribe. Beside the red button is a notification bell. The essence of that bell is for you to get notified so that anytime I upload a new video, so you'll be the first person to check it out. My amazing subscribers, thank you so much. So guys, the little clip you watched at the beginning was a video where Davido allegedly slapped one of his fans who were trying to take a selfie along with him. And ever since yesterday, a lot of people have been criticizing Davido. Why would he do such thing? That this is the second time he has been doing this. The first time was a woman who he slapped his son. This one again, he is still repeating the mistake. If you watch the video very well, you will see what happened. Besides, how could people jam-pack themselves in this Okoro season? Are they not aware that this thing is still raining? Maybe they have forgotten too soon. I just pray that God shouldn't allow it to, become worse in that country. Let me introduce Davido for the sake of those who may not know him. Davido is a musician, a Nigerian musician, a songwriter, a producer, and a famous musician who is more popular and a friend to Chioma, his assurance, who has given birth to a male child for him. So what happens in the video you watched earlier was this. Since Davido was going to perform in an occasion, and being a famous person, a famous musician, his fans saw him, oh God, our people self, I don't know when they will wake up. When they see all these celebrities, they celebrate them as if they are gods or they are king. Well, I don't blame them for appreciating them, but come on, there is an extent you do something, you don't show the person that you are a fool, right? So they saw the video immediately. All of them rushed him, like you saw in the picture. They wanted to take a picture with him so that they will go and post it on Facebook and tell you that they are with Davido. They have shake hand with Davido. They took a picture with Davido. Some of them will even start using it to make math. So it was too much for those that are condemning Davido for his action. I think he was trying to, defend himself because they are trying to suffocate him. Do you see the number of people forcing him to take picture? He's a human being, and maybe he might have told them to get the camera out of off my face because a lot of things has been going on in where Davido and Chioma is. Maybe they will take the picture now. Before you know it, they will use it to be doing all sort of things. I don't blame Davido for stopping them from taking picture. If you're a figure, they can take your picture. Before you know it, they twist it and start using it for something else. Maybe, I'm sure, and if you look at the video, you will notice it that Davido might have told them not to snap me, not to take a picture of me, not to take selfie with me, because they can even use it and say they caught Davido there. So many people were forcing themselves on him, of which he never wanted. People, when you tell them something, they wouldn't listen until you react. Then the people that will criticize you will not look at the event properly. They will start criticizing you. And I don't know why our people will see celebrity, they will just be worshiping them as if they are God. They are human beings like you. For the fact that they are popular doesn't take them make them different from you. Both of you are the same. I'm not saying that you shouldn't appreciate them. Of course, you can say hello, but going to an extent, trying to force yourself, even when the person asks you, no, I don't want, you still force yourself, and when he give you bosa, people will start criticizing. My people, you watched the video at the beginning. What do you think? Do you think that the video was harsh on them? But me, I didn't see anything because it was too much. Even Pope Benedict, this Catholic Pope, there was a time people were doing him the same thing. He have to push one of them to save himself before they will push him down. And if he falls now, they will twist it that they wouldn't even say that it's somebody that pushed him down. Maybe they will say you are sick or something like that. So if you want to judge somebody or judge an event, say it the way it should be. Davido did not actually slap the person just like people are claiming. Rather, he was trying to defend himself, protect his image, because a lot of things has been going on between him and people and Chioma. What is it that Davido's name have not been used to speak about? Today they will tell you Davido have separate from Chioma. Davido gave 20,000 women belle. Davido slapped Chioma. Davido sent Chioma out. Davido have gotten another girlfriend. If you are the one, aren't you going to protect your image? Aren't you going to be careful? How many times will something happens to you before you take precaution? That is what I saw Davido doing. Davido wasn't harsh. He is a simple person. Believe me, Davido, despite the fact that all the rumors that have been going on around about him, Davido is a kind-hearted man. Do you know many people that he helps? If our politicians, all those people that are using our money for embezzlement and nonsense, can do like this young guy, our country, Nigeria, will be in good situation. Please, if you are judging somebody, judge it right. Say it clear. Point out the wrong. If you are criticizing the person, bring the good ones and bring the bad one. Then you analyze them, not being one-sided. I saw a lot of comments in that video. Some people were saying that Davido is so pompous, that he is heartless. How could he slap somebody because they want to take a selfie with him? Why did he come out? If you don't want people to snap picture with you, must you always snap with anybody, especially when the person tells you that I don't want? Simple. You respect yourself. Respect yourself. You are an adult. Not when the person tells you not to do that, you went ahead to do it, and that person react. It becomes the fault of the person while you were warned at the initial time. My dear viewers, I bring this thing here for us to discuss. Do you think that Davido's action was bad, or do you see anything in his action? He told them, watch the video very well. If you doubt me, go to the beginning. You will see where he was trying to remove their hands. He was trying to remove their hands, and I believe I would have played the video for you to hear it, but the background music and noise is too much. I cannot play it. He wanted them not to take a picture of him, and still they went ahead. Not only he did not even do that because of the picture, the way in which they were trying to suffocate him. If he happens not to be a young man, they would have pushed him down, and by then it will be circulating all over the internet that Davido fell down. Before you know it, they will say he have contacted Okoro. Anyway guys, let's talk together. Leave your comments down below. What do you think about this? Is the act bad or good? Thanks. This is Linda's TV show, the home of Welcome news. To my channel. If this is your first time or first day of coming across my YouTube channel or seeing my face, you are highly welcome. Herzlich willkommen zu meinem Kanal. Mein Name ist Linda Chukwueze. It comes as Miguel. That red button that says subscribe, and you turn on the notification bell so that you'll be able to get information on the.
Bis zum nächsten Video und einen schönen Tag. Tschüss.
Tschüss. Bis man subscribe to Linda's TV show. What are you waiting for? Click on that red button that says subscribe. You turn on the notification bell so that you'll be getting more updates from me. Leave your comments down below and share this video with your friends, families, and colleagues until we meet again in my next video. Bye bye.